Hi, are you bored to do repetitive tasks? Do you need to do things over and over again on a website? The good news is that you do not have to do it manually. The process is easy to automate. The tool which is doing it for you is the Selenium ID3. It is free to use. This book supports you to be able to install Selenium ID3 to Firefox and Chrome browsers, work with Selenium ID3 framework, use the Selenium ID commands, write simple Selenium language commands, automatize web pages, save time with repetitive tasks. In short, you will be able to automatize your repetitive work. This book is your user guide to use Selenium ID commands. I'm using this book also as my manual. I'm happy to share it with you. Click on the book link, download, and feel free to use and read the Selenium ID3 book.